how to collect new shields in Monopoly Go. So there are currently 3 ways of how you can do this. So the first way is through tournaments. So not all of them give you shields, but we've had some tournaments that supply the top 5 people with shields. Now this current tournament only gives you packs, but some of those tournaments will give you shields as a reward if you make it to top 5. Now another way of how I've seen people get shields and how I got a shield is through the quick wins. So some weeks the reward right here instead of a pack will be a shield. So that is another way of how you can get or collect new shields. And the last way is through the events right here at the top. So you gotta complete up to stage 20, I think it was, and that's when you get a different shield. Now I'm not sure how often or if all of these events give you shields. I've only made it up to stage 20 or 30 it was once, but I got this neon shield from an event like so. So hope this helps, hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.